Hey everybody, we have a big old grocery haul today, adding to the freezer, well actually the jars. I'll be canning any meat you see here except for the ham steaks will be getting canned. And then I got stuff for Christmas treats to be handing out to friends and sending to family in California, and the rest is for my pantry. So let's get to. So I got 2 cans of pumpkin. One is for the dog preps, one is for our preps, and I will probably make some pumpkin cranberry bread. I got 2 cans, or no, 1 can, gosh, of Italian green beans. I got 2 ham steaks. We have not been able to get a whole ham or ham steaks in a long time, and that's like one of hubby's favorite things. So I got 2 ham steaks, and we will be having one of those for dinner tonight. I got some oranges, smallest oranges I've ever seen, but I got some oranges, and I will probably, well, I'm going to make some cranberry sauce for my mom and send it to her in California, and then the rest I will use the skins to make an orange extract. So if you'd like to see that, let me know. Nobody ever comments, so nobody will let me know. I got some small cucumbers because my mom wants some bread and butter pickles, and my cucumbers are done for the year. And I got 2 English cucumbers just in case they didn't have the small cucumbers. I got a 1 pound of ground beef. This one will go in the freezer. I got 5 pounds of chicken legs, and those were $5, so that was pretty good these days. I got a 5-pound chub of ground beef, and this is $73.27, and this will be canned in various ways. Those chicken legs will be used as well for canning. I got some chicken thighs, which will also be canned, and every bit of this will be used. I get the thighs bone in, skin on, because I will render the skin for schmaltz, and I will use the bones for broth. So I get everything I want out of there. And it's cheaper to buy them bone-in, skin-on, and I can get more of a return on that. I was finally able to get some sausage. I got some smoked sausage, which I use a lot in my jambalaya, which I also can. I got a half loin roast. It was $12.52, and it is 5.13 pounds. It was $2.44 a pound. I got 2 boxes of the cornbread dressing for the shelf, just because that can be hard to get, and my husband prefers the cornbread dressing. I got 1 box of cheesy tuna helper. I got some oven ready lasagna, and if you can your cream cheese, you can still make SHTF lasagna, and these noodles make it a lot easier. I got 1 box of chicken and garlic rice-a-roni. I got 3 bags of cranberries. These are not the ones that I ordered. These are a replacement. They're smaller bags, but they did just charge me for the ones they couldn't provide. So that's for my mom's cranberry sauce. That'll be canned. I got some jalapenos so I can make my favorite Velveeta dip. I got the 5-pack of small Velveeta blocks. I got a package of cheddar garlic biscuit mix by Pillsbury. These are very handy. I got a box of the regular biscuit mix. This just requires some milk that you can make with your powdered milk. I got a box of complete pancake and waffle mix. I got yogurt for the hubby's lunch with his blueberries and granola. I got a family box of beef rice-a-roni. This is good to use with some hamburger for stuffed bell peppers. I got a box of cheese sauce. Just keep in mind, if you're putting this on your pantry shelf, this is not a long-term item. It will not keep. It will turn very dark and get hard and yucky. I've not tried these. This is the Heat and Eat rice-a-roni, and it feels cold, so I don't know if this is supposed to stay in the refrigerator. I guess I'll Google. I thought it would be a pantry item, so I'm gonna have to find out if that actually is or not. I got some mini Krispy Kreme donuts just because I'm tired of not having some snacky stuff. I told my husband that. I was like, at night I'd really like something snacky. I'm not going to try and pick that up. I'll hurt myself. But I got a 10-pound bag of sugar because I've almost used one up. And if you can, pickles or jams, jellies, things like that, you will want to make sure you have sugars, not to mention your baking. And then I got a bag of Ruffles, a bag of Walmart brand Ripple potato chips, and a bag of barbecue potato chips. And with the Ruffles, I'll be making some potato chip bark, and I'll be making some Oreo bark for my family and neighbors at Christmas. This is a random head of broccoli that I did not order. This was a delivery. And I got an 8-pound bag of potatoes that will be canned for French fries. So, I think that's everything. Did I get it all? It looks like I got it all. So, and I have some online orders to unpack and stuff. So when I do that, I will share it with you. This was all $143. I even told my husband I don't know how I pulled that off. But this was $143. So for everything I got, I don't think that was bad. Did I get the diced ham? I got the diced ham as well. That's for my husband's breakfast burritos, breakfast sandwiches, etc. So, yeah. So when I open my online stuff, I will do a video of that. I hope you all are doing well. You stay safe, stay healthy, stay warm. And we had our first freeze last night. So anyways, you all take care, and I will see you in the next video.